I have picked up the 31.5-inch display monitor. It is the Pro Art Display, and I am so excited to get into this box. It came a couple of hours ago and it's just been sitting there waiting for me. So ignore my kitchen knife because I don't have a fancy YouTube knife. Let's get into the unboxing. I can barely see over this box, by the way. Oh my God, I am so excited. I've just realised I don't even know how I'm supposed to lift it out because she's big. She's a big gal. Okay, oh my God. So we've got cables, HDMI cables, all the cables. Welcome to the Pro Art family. Oh, very fancy. So this is my current situation. I'm only 5 foot, so this might be an issue. Oh, she's heavy. Oh, I didn't think this through. I'm too small to do this. I literally, like, I can't see. Holy shit. That is the heaviest stand I've ever felt in my life. This is why I need a studio, because filming things in your bedroom, it's not a vibe, is it? That is so heavy. Like, I can't even tell you how heavy this is, the stand. It's also just dawned on me, I'm gonna need a bigger desk because my desk's narrow. Don't know if you can tell by the camera, but. So I'm gonna go and set the rest of the monitor up and then I'll come back and we can go through it all. Because my arm is fucking killing. This is literally like a child. Why is it that heavy? I should not have worn a jumper for this because I'm bloody roasting. I'm sorry, this isn't aesthetic, by the way. Ta-da! Can't even see because this is in the way. Good one, Soph. Oh my Lord, she is a beauty. How do I put that on there? Okay. Didn't quite think this through, to be honest with you. That clip's in there and that clip's in there. So hopefully this should just clip on, but I can't see what I'm doing. This is the most chaotic video I've ever filmed. But by the way, I've got a new microphone. I've got a little lav mic, if you can tell. If you can't, then that wasn't worth 180 quid, was it? Oh, maybe I can. Jesus Christ. Yes. This is so heavy. Oh yeah, lovely. Finger marks already. That's good, Soph. Oh my fucking God. So, here she is. And it swivels as well. Never mind. It does swivel. I'm just standing on my tiptoes because you literally can't see me. But I've been editing on my 13-inch Macbook Pro M1 and my sight isn't the best anyway. So this is going to be a game changer. I was going to get the 27, but I thought, you know what? Treat yourself. So as you can see, it's got the height adjustment and it also rotates as well, like this. Oh, I am so excited to use this. Finally. So completely forgot to close off the video. I've just been editing and realised I didn't even do an outro. So a couple of things to note: it is massive, and I think it'll take me a while to get used to it, but I do love it. Like, oh my god, it's so nice. So thanks for watching. I know it was chaotic. When is it not? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. This is the 31.5 inch monitor. It's the Pro Art Display. I'm just reading what's on the back, to be honest. I'm not like a tech nerd. I don't know if I was filming. Was I filming? Oh, thank God for that. Thank bloody God. Because my arm is fucking killing. This is literally like a child. Why is it that heavy? I'm sweating. Nope. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna need a second.